Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 12:15 in Honolulu, 6:15 in New York. It is Tuesday, 29th day of September 2020, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. In just a few hours, fireworks are about to begin with the first presidential debate airing at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Typically, a debate is not going to change the outcome of an election, but what we are looking for is whether or not either candidate has the ability to get under the skin of their opponent. Because if that happens, we could see a real sparring match. It was supportive of gold as well as silver today. Dollar was weaker, and we'll look at those in detail when we look at our charts. But first, to the price board. Traders, respectable, nice moves in both gold and silver. The dollar providing nice tailwinds as it sold off to the tune of 0.4%. We entered a long position yesterday at 1890. Currently, market stands at 1903, putting it up $20.70 on the day. A net gain of about 1.1%. Silver, as usual, on the way up, will outperform gold. Today it gained almost 75 cents, 34.5 cents on the day. Of course, we went long at a price below this. We'll cover that during our technical studies. Platinum and palladium were higher, and the equities markets had a moderate sell-off, with the industrial average losing 131 points and the Standard & Poor's losing about 0.5% on the day. Traders, let's take a look at our current technical studies. Traders, we saw gold move up respectively today, gaining approximately $20, currently at 1903. We did enter a long position in December gold at 1890 yesterday. On today's report, I want to begin to speak about our exit strategy, our upside targets, as well as where we believe there is solid support for gold currently. Let's start on the support side. We placed our stop just below this 100-day moving average. That comes in now at around 1852. I believe our stop was around 1851. In other words, I'm just trying to keep it under the 100-day moving average. In terms of where we could find resistance, well, first of all, we did break above $1,900 per ounce. That was a key psychological level that was taken out today, closing at 1903. The next real level that could present some resistance comes in at approximately 1919. It is the former record high achieved in the middle of 2011. It became support once the market effectively broke above that price point. You can kind of see that right here where I'm putting this line in. We could see resistance there. Above that is the first level of major resistance, and that occurs at a confluence point, meaning there are two technical studies indicating approximately the same price point. The 23% retracement comes in at 1942.90, and the 50-day moving average at 1949. So this band in between those two price points, 42 and 49, I believe would be a potential level. Above that, you have to look at 2000 as a major level of resistance. That being said, my initial target for this particular trade is below 2000, and what I am looking at is the 50-day moving average coming in at around, call it 1950. As our target. While I still believe that $2,000 per ounce is achievable by the end of the year, that is contingent upon a couple of things. First of all, the outcome of the presidential election, and second of all is the current pandemic and whether or not it continues to deepen. We have now hit 33 million cases. We have now hit over 1 million deaths globally. And I think that we could see gold move higher at least above 1919 in terms of an intermediate basis. Traders, maintain your current long gold position, maintain your current stop. We will look to move that stop up later this week. Traders, yesterday we entered a trade in December silver, currently at 24.41.5. We entered that trade at 23.95 with stops at 22.45. In terms of the next strong level of resistance in silver, I am pegging that at approximately $26 per ounce. That is based upon the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. It also corresponds with the 50-day moving average. That's right here. And like gold, I am currently pegging the major support level to occur at the 100-day moving average, and that is $22.09. We will look to move our stops up if the market continues to move higher. And traders, we did add the ETFs, GLD and SLV, to our portfolio today. We entered GLD at 178.20. The market is at 178.19, so pretty much our entry price. And the same is true for SLV. We bought that at 22.66. Market's at 22.50. Maintain your long ETFs. We have recommended stop placements for those funds, and maintain your long gold and silver positions. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. It will be interesting to see what develops tonight, just in a few hours, during the first presidential debate of 2020. Have a great evening. Talk to you tomorrow. Good night.